is she. I'm back today with another video. Why does she do that every time?
Ooh, is she? Yeah.
Every time I start recording a video, my dog wants to play with this loud ball. She literally does it every time I set my camera up. It's ridiculous. You take that ball from her?
Yes, hold up. Oreo.
Like, I swear to God, guys. Look, that's the ball. Really ridiculous. So anyway, in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you a thrift store haul. For those of you who don't know, I'm renting a booth over at the Barrett Street Antique Mall in Virginia Beach. So make sure you guys come out and check Cozy Interiors out. I should be getting my space on Monday, which is really, really exciting. So we're going to go in, decorate, record everything. My friend will be helping me. So I'm super excited for you guys to see how everything turns out. But in the meantime, what I've been doing is doing a bunch of thrift shopping just to make sure, you know, I have enough items to fill my space. And I think right now I officially have enough. So I'm going to slow down with the shopping and catch up on some of the refinishing projects. So stay tuned for those videos, guys, as well. So I'm going to stop talking and we're going to get straight into this haul. The first items I'm going to show you today were, one of them is actually for myself. I went to the thrift store, I was shopping for furniture, I found a few furniture pieces, and then as I was leaving, I saw 2 pairs of shoes and was like, I have to get these. So the first pair of shoes is actually a 9 West pair of heels. I thought these were super cute and Western. They caught my eye on the show. And y'all, fun fact, my best friend is like really, really into thrift store shopping, and so she always looks amazing. I love her style. And so I don't know, I always used to be like, girl, I cannot do the thrift store, yada blah blah blah. But anyway, when I saw these, I absolutely had to have them. They look brand new. The inside is, you can tell these were really barely worn. The sole is scratched just a tiny bit, so I don't think that these got much wear, if any at all. They look like a pair of shoes somebody probably wore once to an event. And if you look at them, you can see why. As far as the details, like, you can't really get away with wearing these too many times, but I'm going to wear these and wear these and wear these, especially from now, and then I'm going to bring them back out again in the fall. I absolutely love shoes. Shoes is my passion. So I got these for $6.98, and they're actually a size 9. I wear an 8.5, so they fit a little loose, but I'm going to put in those little sole things and they'll be fine. So comment down below, do you guys love these shoes? I teased them over on my Instagram, so make sure you're following me at Mizfashionablylate. The next pair of shoes that I got, guys, is actually a men's pair of shoes. When I saw them, they just screamed nice quality. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to pick these up and put them in the booth, because I think that somebody will walk by, spot them, and want to have them for themselves. Or it could be a woman shopping for her husband, because my booth is going to be very feminine. But these I picked up for $8.98, and they are Florsham. They're Florsham dress shoes. These are all leather. I looked on their website, and right now they're selling this pair of shoes for $112. Guys, you can see the sole. Somebody did not wear these a ton, or if so, they probably wore them to church or something. They don't smell bad at all. And the leather is really, really nice, so we're just going to dust them all. And I think I'm going to sell these in the booth for like maybe $55 or $65, because they're in really good shape. And we'll see how they go. But I was like, oh my God. And I have a friend, he loves to wear suits, and he lives in New York. And he was like, listen, those shoes are easily $120. So he was right on the money, because literally that's how much they retail for. So there's a good amount of profit in this pair. This tissue box holder, this was only $1.58. And I thought it would be something cute that we could make nice and fun and beachy. Once we paint it, I think I'll just run to the Dollar Tree, pick up a box of tissues to stick inside so that people can see it function. But I think what I'll have Kenzie do is paint it, and we have some different stencils that we can use to kind of make it more decorative. So that'll be a fun little DIY project for her to do, and I think we'll do that together tonight. And this was only $1.58, and once we paint it, I'm sure we can probably get about $20 for it. So next, guys, I picked up this shelf. This was actually at the same thrift store that I got the tissue box holder from. This was $1.98. And I thought this was perfect. Somebody could put this in like a little girl's room. I think, Mackenzie, what color do you think we should paint this?
Another pink.
Look, this,
Oh no.
it has the little hearts in it.
Either white or light pink or light blue.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking. Like maybe a light pink or a mint green or something. I thought it would be really cute. It'll be nice in an entryway. It'll also be cute in a little girl's room. You can hang coats on it, scarves or whatever. So what we'll actually do is hang this up inside of the booth and probably just put like a scarf or something hanging from it so people can see how it functions. But with the hearts, to me, it just screams like little kids' room. So we're gonna have some fun like redoing this one. And after it's all finished, we probably can get about $25 to $30 for it. Once we make it like a unique piece, we could even put like a stencil on the top with some pretty flowers or French words or something to add a little bit more value. Next, guys, I found these pillows, and these pillows, I was like, I have to have them because if you guys follow my channel, y'all know that I love home decor. You know that I love pillows with down in them. And the reason why I like down is because you can use these pillows for many years to come. They're always going to fluff back up. No matter what you do, they will not go flat. So whenever I find a pillow with down in it, it's like a no-brainer. I have to get it. These were only $2.98. They don't really have any stains or anything. This front little pattern is like really pretty. And it's in the colors that are in my shop. We're going to have a lot of whites and blues and light beachy colors. So this is definitely going to blend in perfect. These were $2.98. And because they have the down insert, I'm going to jack that price up. So comment down below, guys, how much you think we should charge for this set of pillows. I saw there's another vendor in the mall, and she actually cannot keep pillows in her booth. I've been to the antique mall several times. And every time I go, the pillows that she has in there are always gone. So I'm really excited because I think those pillows are going to sell really well. Next, guys, I got this lamp from the Goodwill. Kenzie, what did you say about this lamp?
It's ugly as heck.
Kenzie thinks this lamp is ugly as heck. But it's a modern lamp, but it has like a vintage flair to it, especially with this little flower-shaped lampshade. So I don't even know if it works. So we'll try to plug it up real quick and see what happens. But I'm thinking that we could paint this like a light blue or a white.
Or a light pink.
Kenzie said or light pink. But I'm thinking more of a light blue or white so somebody could actually use it in their living room. Look, and it works. Oh wow, look, it works. So that's wonderful. The shade is a little bit dingy, so what I'm going to be doing is probably taking some bleach and lightly wiping off the shade to get rid of any stains. And if that doesn't work, I'll like Google some stuff. So if you have any tips on how to clean a lampshade, please let me know, guys. But I thought this was fun, and it was $6.25. I think once it's painted, we could easily get $65 or $70 for it just because it has a very unique shape. And I always look for things that have like nice little details because those are the things where you can get the most money out of them. So next I have two pieces of furniture, and I'm going to have to take the camera off the stand to show them to you. Alright, so this first piece of furniture, this is the first thing I bought today. This actually came from the Goodwill. It was $6.25. And so it's just like a little end table and magazine rack. So you can easily put some books in the bottom of that. And that's one thing I need to actually do. I need to go to a couple of different thrift stores and find some vintage style books, not only for sale but also for decor. And so I don't know what we're going to do to this piece, but I know once we clean it up, we can probably get about $60 to $85 for it. And the drawer on the inside is clean. All we're going to do probably is do some cool like pattern design here. Spray paint this hardware gold again and paint this baby up and make it look good. And then this table I got from the Goodwill as well. We got this one from the CHKD thrift store. This was $10, and it's like a vintage table. So let me show you guys something, guys. So I was thinking on this table we could like proudly display things. So I have like cute little flower arrangements, and then those shoes would be kind of cute there. So, you know, we're just gonna we're gonna paint it, and I'm thinking that this one will definitely be in a light blue or something. I think light blue would be really, really pretty as an accent table, and I could see this in some little old lady's house with plants on it, or even it'll be a cute thing to keep at the front door for shoes. So not really sure how we're gonna stage it. I can't wait to get everything in there, and then we'll go from there. But I think once this is painted, it'll probably go for about $45 or $55, depending on what we actually do to it. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more thrift store hauls. I actually got a really, really cute dresser from Facebook Marketplace. If you guys want to see it, make sure you're following me over at Mizfashionablylate on Instagram, and also at Cozy Interiors by She. I will be posting it sometime on my story this week. But anyway guys, I'm going to go. That way we can go ahead and get started on the mini projects that you see we have going on. Make sure you're subscribed. That way you'll be notified when we post more videos. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!